What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Triplezon, where we find the coolest tech for your daily life. Today, we're diving into something really unique, the Hoco EQ14 Smart Screen Earbuds. These aren't just your standard pair of buds, they actually bring some futuristic features right to your fingertips. Let's get started. The first thing you'll notice about the Hoco EQ14 is that the charging case isn't just a box to store your buds. It actually has an intelligent LED touchscreen built right into it. This is a total game changer because it lets you control your music, adjust settings, and check your notifications without ever having to pull your phone out of your pocket. The display gives you real-time information, like the exact battery levels for both the case and each earbud, and it even keeps track of the time. In terms of performance, these are equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology. This ensures you get a very stable and efficient wireless connection with almost any device. Whether you are watching videos, listening to a podcast, or taking important calls, the audio stays perfectly in sync without those annoying drops or delays. Even with all this technology packed inside, the Hoco EQ14 stays incredibly portable and comfortable. The whole setup weighs only 44 grams, so you can toss them in your pocket and barely notice they are there. They are designed to be compact and lightweight, making them perfect for extended wear during a long commute or a busy day at the office. You also won't have to worry about the battery dying on you midday. Each earbud is designed to give you up to 7 hours of continuous use on a single charge. When you do need a boost, the 500 milliamp charging case has plenty of capacity to keep you powered up for a long time. What I think is really impressive is how accessible these are. The smart screen supports 16 different languages, including English, Chinese, French, Arabic, and German. This multilingual support makes the interface easy to navigate and customize for people all over the world. If you're someone who loves having the latest gadgets or you just want a more convenient way to manage your audio experience, the Hoco EQ14 is a fantastic choice. They combine modern connectivity and intuitive controls into one sleek package that's easy to use every single day. These earbuds really offer an advanced experience for anyone looking to upgrade their wireless gear. Check the price link in the description to see more details and grab your own. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to Triplezone so you never miss out on our latest tech finds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.